Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on a 2024 Harris 250 Solstice. Coming around to the back of the boat here, this is powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower V8. Also powered by the new single engine joystick. So you have a little trolling motor back here in the back that drops down when you hit the thruster button, as well as one in the front. Makes driving and docking these pontoon boats in tight places an absolute breeze, a complete game changer. Takes all the effort out of it. So coming into the back of the boat here, this is a single lounger dual helm. So this is a forward facing lounger, rear facing lounger, or you can lay down flat into a sunbed. Nice walk through here on the starboard. Okay, coming up here, dual helm. So you have captain and co-captain seat. Here's your co-captain seat, removable ottoman. So just lift this up. There's a draining cooler as well, insulated under here. Alright, then you also have the table here that pulls up, makes into a little table as you can see in the pictures. If you don't have the ottoman there, put it somewhere else. We're here at the helm, great spot. So here we have upgraded stereo with JL components, so you're going to sound awesome, be comfortable in these nice seats here. And then you're going to have, once again, like we talked about, your joystick. So hit that thrusters button on it, going into docking, deploys out the thrusters underneath there, and you just anything you need to do with this boat, you can be done with precision with that thruster. So up here you set your Simrad unit, as well as a couple of gauges. Got the in-floor storage, really beefed up the in-floor storage on these. Open this up, it is just massive in there. I mean, it goes all the way forward now. I mean, tons of space in there. You can get a lot of swim noodles or cover in there, whatever you need. All right, walking forward here, have the new design pattern for 2024. A lot of seating, a lot of storage. Once again, Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through the all-new 2024 Harris 250 Solstice. Thanks. Have a great day.